welcome back to Be Adventures. I'm Tasmanian Tiger and I'm Tasmanian Devil. We're native Australian animals. Let's start the show. These are really cool oven mitts. Hi guys, welcome back to Be Adventures. Just a quick update. I'm just at a friend's house, catching up, having dinner. Sorry I haven't been making videos in a while. Excuse me. Basically, it's really cold weather. It's like winter time, wet and raining. So yeah, just been focused on work. I'm still around. Regarding the car, for those that saw the car vlogs, I got an Optima deep cycle battery. Go ahead and check it out. So it's basically meant to be a long life, high reliability battery, so that's why I got it. My old one had just worn out. It was about 4 years old, it happens, so these Optima deep cycle batteries are meant to last like 7-8 years. So anyway, that's sorted. I didn't want to vlog it too much because you guys already saw the car stuff. What else? Yeah, just focused on work. I wanted to travel again like earlier at the start of the year, but I had to put it off for work. You know, I just got to focus on my own life. Got bills to pay, you know, things to do. But hopefully I can travel again sooner rather than later. It's not that big an issue, but yeah, also if there's any friends from Davao City in Philippines, Davao City, let me know, because I'd love to see more of Davao City or see that region again. So it'd be cool to hear from any of the subscribers or viewers from there, and also maybe get some ideas. You know, so you see what I mean? I'm just I'm doing some research, tossing up ideas and things. And yeah, that's about it, just life stuff. So yeah, hopefully I'll get some more videos out to keep in touch with you guys. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed the shots of the food. And my friend was showing me his cool G-Shock. G-Shocks are cool, man. Go anywhere, do anything, they're cool.
Lasts very long.
Yeah, how old's your one? How long have you had it? 3 years? 3 years, yeah. They're known for being very tough, reliable watches. It's a good watch, man. It still looks beautiful, yeah. Anyway, I'm wearing my Seiko Loris. But anyway, I'll maybe do another video about that stuff later too. Otherwise, yeah, I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, living life. And as usual, if you want to see the previous video, click here. And if you want to see the next video, click here. Thanks for watching, and Be Adventures out. Alright, are they in frame?
Yeah. And your head, yeah.
Is my head in? No?
Yeah, we can see your head.
Still?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, there, it's gone.